Welcome to LinuxHelp. Today we are going to see how to create drop database table in MySQL on Debian version 11.3. The MySQL database application is free and open source. As a popular database solution, it is known for its high performance, easy of use, and data security. In MySQL, creating tables is a fundamental process for storing and organizing data. First, I will check OS version. Next, I will install the MariaDB server. Next, I will install the MySQL secure installation. Enter the current password. Change the root password. Yes. Enter the new root password. Again enter the new root password. Next, I will log in into the MySQL database. Enter the root password. Next, I will create a database. Next, plus the privileges. Next, use the LinuxHelp database using use command. Next, create a table in database. Next, show the database. The LinuxHelp database can be added. Next, insert the data from the database. Data can be inserted. Data for ID, name and email. Next, again insert the another details. Again insert the data from the database. Next, plus the privileges. The database can be altered and now view the database using select star from command. Database name. The two database data can be added, Linux and Unix. ID, name and email address. Now drop the database, LinuxHelp database using drop command. Plus the privileges.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. And if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.